Kleenex brand has Sneeze Shield in all their tissues. This back to school, Kleenex Everyday Tissues with Sneeze Shield help keep stuff off kids' hands. And now they're thicker and more absorbent.